Hello guys, today is a debate between the India versus the foreign country, and in this debate, we discuss about the what is the loopholes in our country and what the problem in our country, and we are comparing from the other foreign countries like America. You can see the foreign countries and the our countries and Indian countries. We compare and we see the what is the loopholes in our country and how to solve this problem and discuss about the childrens. And through this debate, we try to find out what the solution, and we also find out the what is the real problem in our education system. We talk about the what is the problem in a politician, why the other countries are developing day by day, our country is going in the downsides. We are focusing on the economy. Our country is not developing too much because we are comparing from the we are comparing from the China's, we are comparing from the US, America. All countries are growing, and why our country is not growth? Where is the fault? This is a mistake of our ordinary peoples, means in Indian peoples, या फिर this is a mistake of a politician, या फिर where is the mistake? Where is the mistake? Where is the problem? We find out through this debate. So now we start through the children's. We try to give our best and we try to find out what the real problem, and we compare that what is the which type of rules and which type of things are followed, and which type of things are used and followed in a foreign countries, and that their childrens and their foreigners childrens are very intelligent. And nowadays what's happened in our countries, then all the children are graduated, he is completed their work, and then that childrens are our youngs are not able to earn money. And why the other yes, now we talking recent time what's happened, all the countries like China's, all the country not China's and the Americas, or all the countries are the developed, he is on ChatGPT. And nowadays this is a very fantastic, and we are focused on that. What's the problem? So now we discuss in this debate, we discuss about what the problem, how to solve this, and we discuss about this problem. Are you all ready for this?
Yes.
And firstly, I want to introduce this group. This is girls group, and this group is favored to the foreign countries, and this group, boys group, is a favored to and the Indian countries. And through this debate, we try to find out what the solution, what the problem in our country. We compare from our country and the other country. Let's start, guys. So now, guys, start our debate. First, I want to give the opinion from the girls side. Girls side means foreign countries. I want to ask that what's the good things in other countries and what's happening there. First, I want to ask from the